Hi, Dr. Brenda here, chiropractor in Edina, Minnesota. Today I want to talk to you about self-adjusting and manipulating your own neck. And no, I did not just do that. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because I will see people do that. And it just makes me crazy as a chiropractor, because when you actually are doing that, even though it feels good, you are making the bones that are making up for the actual bone that is stuck more misaligned. So in other words, you're creating more of a misalignment in your neck versus actually fixing the one bone that is out of position, which is called subluxation. So not a good idea to do that. And then the reason why it feels good when you self-manipulate your own neck is because your body releases endorphins, which are like natural pain killers, if you will. So I would encourage you to reach out to a chiropractor that does specific adjustments. We'll do x-rays with you and figure out exactly where the one bone is misaligned, adjust that, and then you will not only feel better, but then your spine is in alignment and is healthy. So thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, share, and like this video, and we will see you next time.